Where are you from, CC? Can you wait in minutes? Yeah, I will wait. I'm good just about getting ready for. Okay, take care of yourself and to your work. My heart is feeling. Belly Bob. Baka sige niyo ako. Likewise. Yes. Enjoy life. Thank you so much, Bali Bali. Alfonso, hello. Thank you for follow. Hello, oh my God! I win! Sorry, better long. Who is that? Who is that? Gawa mo dyan. Naghuhugas po ng plato po. I'm salty, sorry. Please. Tara, nature trip. Tara guys, let's go. This is my nature trip. Good morning, Dan. Thank you, William, Uncle. My heart is feeling. Tapos na ako matapos dito, guys. My heart is feeling. Alfonso, hello. Upaw. Bananito, bananita. I wanna kulkog your, kitot. High level 56. Heart is feeling. Missing hip hop dancer. Banani, hip hop dancer. What is that hip hop dancer? Oh, challenge me. Alfonso, thank you. Challenge me. I want to dance. I don't know what is hip hop dance, but Google. I know, I know, I know dancing like TikTok. Like nice stop. Thank you, Banani. Bananito. You have guessed me gift for me, Bananito. Hello, level 40. Nahugas lang ako ng plato. Baka maban ako dito, guys. Kung ano-ano pinanggagawa ko. Hi, Z. Bakit sinigit niyo na ako? Pa-reach niyo ako 3 star, oh. Kiss me forever. Oh, yeah. Oy, grabe kayo, ah. Hi, Joss. Ganda, ah. OMG. Man. Hello. Guys, thank you for follow, guys, ha. Yes, baby. Hi, baby ko. Anthony! Dominos, hello. Scavenger, hello. Good morning. Vigo, happy pills. Hi, happy pills. Vigo, thank you. And welcome sa ating Vigo la Philippines nationwide. Ay, ano ba yan? Tama ba ako, guys? Habibi. Hello, Vigo. Biana, follow me. Okay. I will follow you guys. My hand is feeling wet, guys. Engineer. No follow. Hi, Dark. Taga saan? Taga Davao. Guys, pa rin ako 3 star. Anthony, yes. Domino's, thank you for follow Domino's. The guys, I'm done washing plate, guys. Hi, Starbucks. Hi, Lee. Diego, almost 10 minutes na. Where's the, wedding ring tonight? Hello. Yeah, no. Diyos, gwapa man, oy. Hi, silingan naman dahil ko. You no follow me. Sorry, William. I cannot see your Okay, I'll be back in 3 minutes. No. I can't believe it. I think you don't go back na talaga. You're gone. You're gone na talaga. It's okay. It's okay, Diego. Hi tonight. Wait for me. I will wait you, but I think you don't came back to me na early. Yeah. Okay, I followed you tonight. You don't want it. I want, but I think you leave me na. You leave me. Why you want to leave? Stay with me. Okay, I stay. Bigo! Um, okay, you will stay with me then. I'm waiting for your high cost. I'm waiting for your what is that? Marry me gift. Hi Peter. My heart is feeling. Your heart is feeling. Messages man. So guys, pa-bubble dragon niyo ako guys.